I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to mass export your Canva designs. The only requirement is that you can only do this through the Canva website, and you can't do it through the Canva mobile app. Additionally, after you make the request, it could take Canva up to a few days to process this request, so you'll need to account for that. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.canva.com, and then sign into your account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Canva home screen. And again, you can only do this on the Canva website, and you can't do this in the Canva mobile app. Step 2. Click the drop-down associated with your account name at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Settings. Your Canva settings screen opens. Step 3. Click Login and Security in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down to the Download Your Canva Uploads and Design section, and then click Request to Download in this section. A window pops up asking if you want to request a new download. Step 5. Click Request to Download. That window will close, and it will be replaced with a note letting you know that it could take up to a few days to process your request, and that you'll get an email as soon as your download is ready for you. Step 6. Eventually, you'll get an email from Canva letting you know that your Canva uploads and designs are ready for you to download. Open that email, and then click Account Settings in that email. Your Canva account will automatically open to the Login and Security screen. Step 7. Scroll back down to the Download Your Canva Uploads and Design section, and then click Download in this section. A window opens where you can download your Canva files. If you have a lot of files, you'll see multiple parts for you to download. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.